Summertime isn't salad time all the time. Wintertime is also salad time, and I have a fabulous recipe for a winter citrus salad. Hi, my name is Debbie Covington. I'm a chef, caterer, cookbook author, and food columnist. I live on Ladies Island in Beaufort, South Carolina with my husband Vince and our cat Belle. I've been serving delicious food to fabulous people for close to 30 years. This is my trusty sidekick, Susan DeLoach. Susan is a photographer, good friend, and all-around creative talent. Over the years, we've joined forces on catered events, food columns, cooking classes, and published a cookbook together. Cooking videos are our new project. Welcome to our pretend cooking show. Cheers! Today I'm making a winter citrus salad. But before we get to the salad, I want to show you the best and easiest salad dressing ever. All you need, and you can switch this out, is a 1/4 cup of any type of vinegar. Today I'm going to use a white balsamic, and any type of olive oil. And today I'm going to use a blood orange infused olive oil. It's 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/3 cup of olive oil. And then to every recipe that you make, you add salt and pepper, of course, a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. It could not be simpler. So let's make our dressing. I make this a lot with red wine vinegar, and I used to use sugar, but now I use honey instead because the honey melts so much faster. And I'm going to go ahead and pour in my olive oil. You can do it at the last, but this is not a huge amount of dressing, so you can whip it up pretty quickly. To this, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, good Dijon, and a tablespoon of honey. And I'm using local honey because we are lucky enough on Ladies Island to have some around here. To that, I'm just going to season a little bit with salt and ground black pepper, and then whisk it all up. Now I just want to taste to make sure that the dressing has enough salt and pepper. So this is an easy trick. Just take a leaf of salad. This is the best way to taste. It's perfect. That blood orange olive oil is delicious. So I'm going to pour this into a pretty decanter. This even looks citrusy, orangey. And then we're going to put the salad together. I just have a bed of mixed greens. I'm going to start with some mandarin oranges. It's tangerine season, but we don't seem to have any tangerines that I've been able to find in Beaufort just yet, so I'm substituting. But if you have tangerines and you just want to do the segments, that's even better. And then I have some red grapefruit premiums, and I bought these in a jar. These are unsweetened and just really easy and simple to make a quick salad with. Then I have a little bit of red onion, and do this to taste. We were talking about it earlier, and red onions can be kind of strong, so I'm really hesitant to tell you how much to use. You kind of have to use it by the way that it smells. But you want a little bit of red onion. And then I had some blueberries left. I was lucky to still have them this late in the year, and these are big fat ones. They're gorgeous. And Christmas time, gotta have pomegranates. So these are pomegranate arils. And I have bought these prepared this way. They're a little expensive, but it's way less work than cutting into one of these boys and peeling them out through all of the pith. So for a little added extra something, I've bought a carambola, which is a star fruit. And so I'm gonna cut some slices of star fruit. See how cute and pretty they are, very Christmassy. And put them all over the top of my winter citrus salad. Isn't that beautiful? The presentation is so gorgeous and it's so simple, so healthy, so delicious. Tell you what, at this point, I would just serve it like this with some tongs, with the dressing on the side, and let everyone serve themselves. Very healthy, good for you, tasty, all that good stuff.